Alright, this is the Summer Reverb pedal. This is the do-it-yourself kit from Austin Ribbon Microphones, austinmics.com. And it is a digital spring reverb pedal. You can adjust the dwell and the mix and the tone, just like an old-fashioned Fender reverb. And the coolest thing about it is that when I tap on it, listen to this. It actually crashes some springs, some digital springs inside. It's never the same twice. It's randomized, so and it's all digital, so you don't have to worry about it. So let's do the clean channel first. So this is clean right through. I'm using an old Airline 9004B, 1950s amplifier that I've modified so it's safe. But no sound modifications. And a cheapy import Strat with Wilkinson vintage voice pickups in them. $30 pickups, so we're not in the high-end range of guitars. Alright, so if I turn this on, turns that amp into... So let's turn down the mix a little bit and turn up the dwell, or turn down the dwell. So now it's more like an old combo, maybe. Distort the signal a little bit when you hit it hard. That's in the design. So just like the old Fender reverb tanks, that would happen because they were tube tanks and they distorted the signal a little bit. Let me turn up the mix a little bit and keep the dwell low. So the dwell changes the length of the reverb to, and then all the way down. So then about in the middle somewhere, and then about 6s on there. Tone is at 10. And then maybe for some Metallica, let's see, let's try this. So that's, again, on the neck pickup there. And that is these cheap pickups. So let's go back to about, everything's at 6s. Let's turn the tone down a little bit too. So the tone does the volumes here, so hold on a second. You can hear the tone, just does a tone just like an old Fender. And then mix, changes the mix. So that's dry. So wet. And then, let's see, dwell. I'll turn up the mix a little bit. Dwell on that. And then over on this side is... So the other thing I designed into this pedal was that if you're playing along and you wanted to change it, the reverb tails stay there. They don't go away when you hit the pedal. The reverb tails stay. It's just like turning the mix down all the way. And again, step on it. It crashes. And again, you have to step on it at various different weights to get the reverbs to crash. Also, the light goes on, and then when it's crashing, and then goes off when it's ready to crash again. So gets brighter and dimmer, so hopefully we can see that. So it's just an all-around good surf pedal. Do it yourself, build it yourself. That's about it. Austin Ribbon Mics, austinmics.com. And this is the Summer Reverb pedal.